Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see this smoky purple eye tutorial, keep on watching. First, we're going to start with my brows. We're going to start using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Craft. I will let you know that I did purchase this at Marshall, so I do not know if it's been discontinued, but if you do have pink hair, be on the lookout. This is the liquid lipstick for you. Next, we're going to go in with my P. Louise base in Room Morphe 3, and we're going to pat this over the eyelid. You see I'm using a brush this time. I just decided to use a brush, but I do end up blending this out with a beauty blender to get a seamless blend. So today's palette, we're going to take Bling Boss by Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, and we're just going to take this on a Morphe fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take the color, I cannot remember this color, but I did point it out to you in the video. It's just a light, soft purple mauve color. Next, we're going to take that color Rockstar, and we're going to apply this on the eye with the same fluffy brush that I used to apply the color. The color is called Hush Hush. So the first color that I used was Hush Hush, and then the second color that I'm applying is Rockstar. It's just this really pretty purple color that I actually really like out of this palette. I will say that I do like the mattes in this palette. I do not care for the shimmers. They do that film over the shimmers that almost feels like there's oil on top and it's hard to bring it up. But the mattes do really well. This is a great beginner's palette for the $15 price that this is. If you're a beginner doing makeup, these four palettes are amazing. Next, I'm going to take the color Mystic, and I'm going to apply this with a 217 MAC brush, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease where I put Rockstar at, just to deepen it up and smoke out the color, because I am going to put a sparkly dazzle shadow on my lid. Next, I'm going to take the Liquid Dazzle Shadow by MAC in the color Pantherize, and I'm just going to apply this to my lid area. I am directly applying this with the sponge applicator, and I'm blending it out with a Bare Minerals concealer brush. Next, I am taking my two foundations, my Born This Way and Butter Pecan, and my NARS All Day Luminous and Macao, and I am blending those two together and buffing this on my face with a BH Cosmetics foundation brush. Next, I am taking the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Warm Sand, and I'm applying this underneath my eyes, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And I am blending it out with another BH Cosmetics foundation brush. Next, I am taking a blush brush that is actually broken that I got out of my Ipsy bag, and I am applying my Coty Airspun powder to my face. I realized applying it with a brush sometimes can give a little bit of a airbrush finish, so I'm testing out this technique on my face, as you can see. And I'm just using this to set all of the areas that I concealed with the sculpting concealer. Now I'm taking my Black Radiance powder in Golden Cashew, and I'm just dusting it off all my translucent powder and setting my face with a powder brush. Now I'm just taking some of that purple shade, the Rockstar shade, and I am sweeping underneath my eyelid. And I'm pretty much going to use all the purple colors that I use. So I'm going to start off with Hush Hush, then I'm going to deepen it up with Rockstar, and then I'm going to go in with the Mystic color just for that even more depth color. So pretty much all the matte shades that I use on my top eyelid. Next, I am going in with my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Honestly, this is not my favorite mascara. I prefer the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This one, I'm just using it because I bought it, you guys. And it's not going to waste. Now it's time for my favorite part. We're going in with my ABH Powder Bronzer in the color Cappuccino. And we're going to bronze up the face with my MAC Powder Brush, you guys. Next, I'm going to apply my blush in the color Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild onto my cheeks, and then I'm going to take my Gilded Honey highlighter by Laura Geller, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone with the same brush that I used to apply my blush. Next, I'm going to put on my ABH matte lipstick in the color Peachy. I did line my lips with my MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. I was using a purple liquid lipstick to begin with, so that's why you may see a pink tint to my lips, but I did not care for the lips. I'm very much a neutral type of gal, so I am going to go in with this beautiful peachy lipstick and brown lip liner, and then I'm going to go on top with a Grand Illusion liquid lip color by MAC in the color Pink Trip. And that is the look, you guys. This look was really simple. I can't believe I did this video as short as it is. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. Like, usually my videos be an hour long, but like we got it down to less than 10 minutes, you guys. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long. I do want to let you know that my skin has been acting up. I was put on Mario Badescu's PR list and it ate up my skin. As you can see in this shot right here, I had cystic acne all over my face. So excuse the pimples on my face. My pimples are gone and clear, and I no longer use that brand. So if you're experiencing breakouts while using it, please stop it. They do have class action lawsuits against them, so please beware. But you guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure to I did say that already. Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to press the bell button at the end. Love you guys.